Credit scores feel like a secret boss level nobody explains until you've already taken damage. So let's bust a few myths first. Then I'll show you the simple mechanics behind the number. Myth 1. Checking your own score hurts your score. False. When I check my score in an app or through my bank, that's a soft pull. It doesn't cost me a single point. Myth 2. I should carry a balance to build credit. Nope. Interest is just a tax on being unorganized. Pay in full. What helps is showing you can borrow and repay responsibly, not paying interest. Myth 3. My income drives my score. Lenders love income, but your score? It doesn't see your salary. It sees how you handle credit. Myth 4. Debit cards build credit. They don't. Debit is your money. Credit is borrowed money. Scores only care about how you handle borrowed money. Myth 5. Paying off a loan early hurts me. It can slightly change your mix and age, but paying off debt is good. Okay, what actually is a credit score? It's a 3-digit prediction, usually 300 to 850, of how likely I am to pay bills on time in the next 24 months. Lenders use versions like FICO and VantageScore. Here's the FICO recipe most people reference. Payment history, 35%. Did I pay on time? Late payments hurt, and recent late hurts more. Amounts owed, aka utilization, 30%. This is the percent of my credit limits I'm using right now. Under 30% is decent. Under 10% is chef's kiss. Length of credit history, 15%. The older my accounts and the longer I've used them responsibly, the better. New credit, 10%. Lots of new accounts or hard inquiries in a short burst looks risky. Credit mix, 10%. A healthy blend, like a credit card plus an installment loan, can help, but it's not worth debt gymnastics. Soft pulls versus hard pulls. Soft pulls happen when I check my score or get a pre-approval. No impact. Hard pulls happen when I apply for credit, can cost a few points for about a year. Rate shopping for mortgages or auto loans within a short window usually counts as one,